So welcome back everyone, Mike here. I started the day off on leaf duty. The oaks are the last ones to hit the ground. I'd say they're about 50% down. I'll have to do this all again, but I kind of like to stay on top of it because they get so thick. This only took me about half hour, 40 minutes to do all this and the deck and everything. And as you can see, in the last 40 minutes, there's a bunch more on here. But the BR800 is a beast. It used to take me, I don't know, I'd probably spend 50, 60 hours each fall cleaning the leaves up. I'm down to about probably 8 hours total using this leaf blower right here. Apparently there's a all-out assault on leaf blowers, at least in certain areas of our country. All I have to say is from my cold dead hands, I'm not giving that up. Oh, and before I forget, if you are a subscriber to our channel, please check and make sure you are still a subscriber to our channel. I've been getting some emails and some comments saying somehow YouTube unsubscribed some people. I'm not sure about that. They do that sometimes. I have no idea why, but check and make sure you're a subscriber if you'd like. I knew it wouldn't be long. I got a few snow flurries in the air. It actually snowed a little bit overnight. We had some rain turn to snow, but it melted off before it even got daylight out. But the next week or so, looks like it's going to be pretty dry, but pretty cold, like high in the 40s. But the goal is to get that firewood bin filled. I'm about 3 days behind. I said I'd have it filled in about a week and a half, and tomorrow will be 2 weeks, I think. But we'll get there. All right, next up, I'm going to get this fuel tank ready to go. I'm still in the market for a big fuel tank, at least a 250-gallon tank. This one here holds 96 gallons. What I'm going to do with this is, I think I'm going to mount it to like a skid, so I can just pick it up with the forks on the tractor, strap it down in the back of the truck, go fill it up, and bring it back and unload it. That should work out pretty good. It's got these little tabs on it right here. I've got some, I think I have some like lag bolts in the garage. Yeah, I don't really have a plan yet. I'm just kind of thinking this through here. But yeah, we'll make a quick skid. I've got a couple treated 2x4s. And then down below, I've got some old treated 4x4s. But we should be able to make something here pretty quick. We use this picnic table for everything. These stick out about an inch. 23.5. Yeah. So make them about 25.5 wide. Yeah, that'll work. 23.5. 25.5. 45 1/4. We'll go 45 1/2. 25 1/2, 45 1/2. Boy, I wish we would have got that on camera. Melissa just helped me set the tank on there. I put just one screw in each one. It was square, but I wanted to make sure, you know, set the tank on it, rack it around a little bit before I put the rest of them on, and she yelled at me.
He was more concerned about don't bump the frame, don't bump the frame. I'm like, hey, I know. We're picking it back up, and it just slips, and my end falls. And it, of course, looks like my fault. But if the guy on the other end was more supportive, you would have held that from it just falling like that.
Whatever. I was going to put another 2x4 across the bottom, but I don't really see a need for it, to tell you the truth. It'll sit on the ground right on those 4x4s. You know, you could put wheels on it, but I'm not going to put this inside the building. I guess you could, but I guarantee you I will spill fuel if I try fueling up inside the building. So I'm going to leave this outside. Maybe just put a little roof over top of it, but it's going to stay on the ground. All right, I got this Fill Right. It's a hand piston pump. Comes with everything you need, although I think I will need a longer hose. Yeah, we'll have to see, but yeah, it's got everything you need. I don't want an electric pump or anything like that. Everything I have, you know, it doesn't take a whole lot of fuel, and it doesn't take long at all with one of these. And without having the electric, it's just kind of one less thing to worry about. So this tube on the bottom of the pump, you know, it extends for however long you need. I'm going to pull it out all the way, then just set it down in the tank. This will sit on the bottom there. Fuel goes in there. Well, there you have it. I will load this up in the truck tonight. Then tomorrow morning, swing by the bank, apply for a loan. And if that loan is approved, I will go fill this up with diesel fuel. That's a joke about getting a loan to fill this up. However, it is going to be pretty pricey. All that beautiful weather we had the last couple of weeks, I knew it wasn't going to last. We had some snow flurries today. It's cold, it's windy, and I don't think I've seen the sun all day either. But anyway, the pile's getting bigger. Got a ways to go. We'll hit it hard tomorrow. I didn't spend much time here today splitting, but tomorrow we'll hit it pretty hard.